Checking out the Choozle platform. Links are below. Choozle's a self-serve programmatic ad platform built for marketers and agencies to manage, optimize, and scale campaigns across display, video, mobile, and social. It's perfect for businesses needing easy targeting, automation, and data-driven advertising, minus the usual programmatic complexity. Choozle's strength is its user-friendly interface. Easily create and manage campaigns, regardless of your programmatic experience. Target precisely with audience segmentation, contextual targeting, and geo-targeting, reaching the right consumers. Choozle uses machine learning to optimize campaigns in real time, boosting performance and maximizing ROI. Detailed analytics and reporting give you full transparency into impressions, clicks, conversions, and more. Integrate first- and third-party data for even sharper targeting. Automated campaign management saves you time and effort. Test and optimize your creative, ensuring the right message reaches the right audience. Built-in security features meet GDPR and CCPA standards. Choozle's ideal for mid-sized businesses and agencies seeking a cost-effective, scalable solution. Flexible pricing based on campaign scale, plus a demos available. Choozle, a powerful, intuitive platform for efficient, data-driven campaigns. Want a straightforward programmatic solution with robust features, transparency, and automation? Check out Choozle. More info in the description below.